How to register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. For this, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to bankofamerica.com. Now tap on the login option once you get here. Once you tap on the login option, it will take you to another page. Now, on the login portal, if you already have an account, you can simply log in using your user ID and password. However, if you do not have an account, simply tap on the enroll option over here. Once you tap on the enroll option, here you will have to enter some details. The first detail you want to enter is your card or account number. Enter the last 6 digits. After that, the next step is to enter your social security number or your tax ID number. So go ahead and enter that. Now, in case you don't have an SSN or TIN, you can simply tap on don't have an SSN or TIN number. In that case, you will have to enter the following details, which are your checking savings account number, ATM/debit card number, and your ATM/debit card PIN. Then tap on the continue option. Once you tap on the continue option, it will ask you further details. All you want to do is answer them accurately. After that, follow the on-screen prompts and your new account will be successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.